day. In fact, this morning I'd take an umbrella heading out because we already have some scattered showers popping up around parts of the metro area. Now those are mainly west and north towards Hominy and then up into portions of Osage County. But now we're even seeing a few of these scattered showers in the Tulsa metro area, down near Jinx, over towards Sand Springs, down through Sapulpa and Kellyville. So it's the first day of school for a lot of kids here in Tulsa. You're going to want to just have the umbrella with you just in case, because these showers are continuing to push just slightly here to the east. Again, they're just light showers, and in fact, we're not even picking up on any lightning. It's just the rain that will be an issue for some of us this morning as we start our day. All right, so let's go ahead and show you what it's like outside this morning. The clouds and the light rain, that's what you can expect. The humidity's also back. Your dew points are back up in the upper 60s. Your temperatures are at 70 right now. It is not as cool and dry out there this morning as it was the past couple of mornings. Unfortunately, we have that humidity that's now back in the area and will stick with us for the next couple of days ahead. Our current temperatures are in the 70s to the north and the west, 60s to the south and to the east. Again, it's 70 in the Tulsa metro area right now. And we're going to be looking for those temps today to be warming on up, and we're going to be getting up to about 85 for the high later on this afternoon. 82 then by 6 o'clock, and then as we head towards that 8 o'clock hour tonight, a couple showers north possible. Otherwise, we'll be looking then for mostly cloudy skies. Let's go ahead and give you a look at what your future cast looks like for today. Again, those scattered showers moving in towards the area. This is actually already a little bit behind because you notice we were already seeing some scattered rain here in the Tulsa area, and this future track model bringing in it by 9 a.m. So just expect for this to be impacting mainly the western portions and the northern portions of Green Country this morning. Otherwise, again, the clouds are around there, and we're going to be looking today for these scattered showers to mainly be affecting the northern portions of the area, but Tulsa included in that. A high of 85 is expected too. That's because the clouds are sticking around and the rain, and that's why those temps are going to be close to about 5 to 10 degrees below average later today. Overnight tonight, we may see a few scattered showers mainly to our north. Otherwise, we're going to be seeing those clouds still here in and around the area. Highs will be, or lows rather, as we head into the start of Thursday. We'll be getting down into the 60s. So tomorrow morning we start our day off closer to around the upper 60s, low 70s there. So here's a look at your day planner. We're going to see temps up to 81 at noon, and then 85 is our expected high this afternoon. Tomorrow 86 with another chance for a few scattered showers, and then we dry out and we'll warm up as we head into Friday and the weekend. We're back in the